So welcome to Gomadi Math channel. This is for ICSE syllabus class 9, exercise 1C, question number 3. Write the lowest rationalizing factor of the following. Why we are using lowest rationalizing factor method? No, this is a irrational number. To make into rational number, we are using LRF. LRF means lowest rationalizing factor. For example, 5 root 2. For this, root is irrational number. To make into a rational number, you are using another root 2. So that 5 into simply to 10. This answer we don't need, no need. We find only LRF. Which LRF we are using to make into a simple rational number. So this step no need. You just write LRF equal to root 2. In this question you just simplify. So 12 into 2, 4 3s are 12, then again 2. So 4 you take outside, then root 6. Root 6 is irrational. To make into simply rational, we are using lowest rationalizing factor, another root 6. Then this here LRF is root 5 plus 3. So when you multiply both of these, you are getting rational number. Here simplify and see. Root 18 means root of 9 into 2 minus 25 into 2 equal to 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2. So when you find this whole number, if it can be simplified further, use the step, make into simple irrational number, then find the LRF. What is LRF? LRF is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. So here itself you should not write the answer root 18 plus root 50. This is wrong. Mark won't be allotted because further it can be simplified. Still it can be simplified. So simplify coming to the last step. After that you can't simplify. So till then you simplify, then find the LRF. Here can't simplify it again. Yet here the LRF is 7 plus root 7. Then LRF root 5 plus root 2. Here LRF root 13 minus 3.